Quite a hot topic at the moment is home improvements. 3 out of every 5 inquiries we're getting at the moment is from customers wanting to refinance their loan, borrow against their equity for home improvements. Rather than me trying to tell you how to do this best and how to use the best of your money or your budget, I've got one of my very good friends here, Bronwyn from Bronz Designs Consultancy, to give her top tips about home renovations and how to get the best from your money.
So depending on what we're doing, I've very much completed a lot of renovations where the client has continued to stay in the home. And the way we've managed it is because it might be a standalone bathroom reno and they've got a second bathroom. So we just cordon off the bathroom that we're renovating. Or if they don't have a second bathroom, you can hire a full ensuite. And we stick that in the backyard and we plumb it up to your mains plumbing and it's essentially a little higher ensuite in the back.
Little FYI here, me and my wife previously renovated a home. We only had 1 bathroom and we ripped the whole bathroom out, but she wasn't aware of it. So I came home one day, she saw it and she had a suitcase packed and said, I'm gonna go live at my mum's and you call me when it's done. So just a little FYI, if I had had a designer in the beginning, probably not have happened. So yes, don't do that.
We've got all the tips and tricks. We're here to help you. We're here to make your ride, you know, cost effective, timely, and hopefully enjoyable as well.